Welcome viewers to Startup News. I am your host Aishwarya. Top headlines for today are: electronic device to contain airborne spread of COVID-19. FPI pulls out Rs 4,615 crore from Indian markets in April. Amid resurgence of COVID cases, brokerages downgrade India's GDP growth projections for financial year 2022. News for today are: All About Innovations Private Limited, a Kerala-based startup, developed a device, the Wolf Air Mask, which reduces 99% of the novel coronavirus, according to a test conducted with support from the Indian Council of Medical Research. All About Innovations, Wolf Air Mask has been developed with components from Denmark. It can deactivate the microbes, bacteria and fungus. Foreign portfolio investors have pulled out Rs 4,615 crore from Indian markets in April so far due to a sharp rise in COVID-19 cases and the consequent restrictions imposed by various states. According to the depository's data, overseas investors pulled out Rs 4,643 crore from equities but invested Rs 28 crore in debt segment. With the resurgence of COVID-19 cases posing risk to economic recovery, leading brokerages have downgraded India's GDP growth projections for the current fiscal year to 10% on local lockdowns. Nomura has downgraded projections of economic growth for the fiscal year ending March 2022 to 12.6% from 13.5%. JP Morgan projected GDP growth at 11% from 13%. UBS sees 10% GDP growth from 11.5% and Citi has downgraded growth to 12%. CoLearn, an Indonesian edtech startup, has raised $10 million in Series A funding led by AlphaWave Incubation and US-based edtech investor GSV Ventures. Existing investors including Sequoia Capital India Surge and AC Ventures also participated in the round. This round of funding has made CoLearn one of the most well-funded edtech startups in Indonesia. Dhruva, a data protection startup that has US space agency NASA and drug maker Zypher as its customers, has received $147 million investment as it rapidly scales in response to accelerated demand for its platform. The round has increased the Pune and California-based company's valuation above $2 billion. Short video app Chingari has partnered with streaming platform Big Bang Amusement, which focuses on content for users that matches well with their schedule. Chingari was launched in 2018 and has over 56 million downloads. US-based Tiger Global Management plans to invest up to $100 million in vehicle service and repair startup Go Mechanic. The investment may value the company at up to $500 million. Bengaluru-based Astrogate Labs is working to ensure high-speed communications for smallsats. Founded in 2017 by IIT alumnus and former team Indus engineers Nitish Singh and Aditya Kedlia, the startup is developing smallsat terminals and optical ground networks for satellite communication. Tiger Global Management led a $53 million round in healthcare startup Priston Care. The Series D funding round saw participation from the startup's existing investors Sequoia Capital, Hummingbird Ventures and Epic Capital. With this investment, the startup's valuation has doubled to over $550 million from $250 million 6 months ago. Cyber experts have warned users from falling prey to a virus link which claims to turn WhatsApp in pink color and comes with new features. According to cybersecurity experts, clicking on the link claiming to be an official update from WhatsApp will hack users' phone and they may lose access to their WhatsApp. That's all for today. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. My Startup TV is now available on Google Play Store, so you can get all the latest news on startups and MSMEs on the move. You can also support us by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can follow us on Koo, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in. Thanks for watching.